Unit 3rd. Business case for IP. Internet protocol in IoT. Introduction part. IoT means, what is IoT? IoT means Internet of Things, which means it will connecting every devices like sensors, light, fan, vehicles, such that to the internet, so that these devices can send or receive data through the internet. This is called the Internet of Things. Means things will be connected to the internet. To communicate properly, every IoT device needs a unique identity, generally like a phone number on the internet. Such that for the every persons have a mobile and each mobile have a unique identity. This is called a mobile number. Similarly, each devices have a unique identity to communicate properly. That identity is called IP address. This is Internet Protocol Address. Why IP is important in IoT? Why IP is important? Because it connect to the internet, share data with cloud server, be monitored or controlled remotely, so that IP is the foundation of IoT communication. Such as like if we have to post an address to send the letters, we require the address, postal address. Similarly, for the communication in IoT, we have to require the internet IP protocols. Internet IP. Why IP is important in IoT? Why IP is important in IoT? Because it provides global connectivity, scalability, interoperability, cost efficiency, remote access and control. These provided by these specification, these facilities provided with the help of the IP. Hence, IP is important in IoTs. What do you mean by global connectivity? Global connectivity allows the devices to connect globally using the same standard. Scalability means using IP, companies can easily add more IoT devices without changing the whole system. Interoperability means devices from different brands can communicate if they use IP-based communications. Means if Philips, a smart bulb or a major Alexa can work together because IP provides the interoperabilities. Cost efficiencies, using existing internet infrastructure instead of creating new network. Means using these on the existing internet we can provide various new technologies, such as on the same network IoT companies provide 4G or 5G network on the same network, not change infrastructure. Remote access control, business can monitor and control devices from anywhere using IP. A company check machine length remotely via IoT sensor. Advantage of IP-based IoT. What is the advantage? It provides a standard communication, unique identification, easier integration, a scalable network, remote monitoring, security and management. These provides various advantage of the IP-based IoT technology. What is the example of this? A smart home, a smart agriculture. What is the smart home? Light, AC, camera. It uses IP to communicate with the smartphone. Smart agriculture, soil moisture sensor send data to the farmer's app. Industrial IoT, machine report fault automatically through the IP-based network. A smart health devices, wearables send patient data to the doctors online. These are the various examples of the smart devices. Why need for optimization in IoT? Why? First, what is the optimization? What is the optimization? Optimization means making a system work efficiently, better, faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. This is known as optimization. In IoT, there are millions of connected devices collecting and sending data every second. If the system is not optimized, it will waste power, time, memory, and network bandwidth. Why optimization is needed in IoT? Because it provides limited power, energy efficiency, limited memory and processing, network efficiency, cost reductions, and real-time response, scalability, and security and reliability. These are the features, these are the parameters, these are the reasons for that optimization will be required in the IoTs. Limited power means most devices run on the small batteries. So if we optimize, then it will be use the less power. IoT have a small microcontroller, so code must be optimized. Network efficiency, sending too much data means waste of the bandwidth, so network efficiency will be required. Optimized system also reduce the cost. Similarly, real-time response optimization ensure quick action on data, important and safety system. Scalability optimized system can handle more devices as network grows. Security and reliability optimized algorithm reduce attack surface and errors. These are the various reasons so that we to overcome these reasons we have to use the optimization technique. Where we can optimize, first optimize in the hardware optimization. If we do the hardware optimization, in this hardware optimization we use low power sensors and processor, energy efficient communication module like BLE, LoRa. These are the communication modules. Second is in the software optimization, use efficient code and data compression, low memory usage and faster execution. Third is network optimization, selecting right protocols with lightweight such as MQTT and COAP, reducing unnecessary data transmission. Fourth is cloud and data optimization, filtering and processing data locally, edge computing, storing only useful data in the cloud. These are the area where we can optimization is applied. What is the benefit of optimization? Longer device battery life, faster data transfer, low operational cost, improved system reliabilities, better user experience, support large scale IoT deployment. These are the real life examples: a smart agriculture, a smart home, health monitoring. These are the real life examples. Optimization in IP for IoT. What is the optimizing IP? IP means Internet Protocol. It provides addressing and communication for IoT devices. But in traditional IP system like using computers are too heavy for small IoT devices. Hence, we need optimized IP to make suitable for low power, low cost, and low memory IoT devices. Why IP needs optimization? Because it provides limited power supply, a small memory and processor, low data rate network, large number of devices, reliability and cost. Hence, we need IP needs to be optimized. Methods to optimize IP for IoT. How to optimizing IP? First, addressing, use IPv6. Header compression, use 6 low power wireless area network. It provides compressed large IPv6 header into a smaller packet which is suitable for low power network. Protocol selection, use of lightweight protocols such as UDP or COAP. It reduces processing time and data overhead. Routing optimization RPL, routing protocol for low power and lossy network. It is designed for the energy efficient routing in IoT sensor network. Energy efficiency, sleep scheduling and data aggregation. Devices sleep when ideal and send combined data to save power. Means energy efficiency, device sleep when ideal. No work means device monitor will be in sleep mode and it will go to the save power. Edge processing means local data filter before sending to cloud. Hence reduce unnecessary network on the cloud. Example of RP optimization. Without optimization, suppose a temperature sensor uses full IP version 6 plus TCP, it will consume more memories and battery. With optimization means IP version 6 plus 6 low pi network plus COP lightweight protocol means it will be optimized the network. What will be benefit? Less data overhead, less power use, longer battery life. Advantage of optimizing IP in IoT. Enable billions of small devices to connect using IPv6. Reduce energy and memory usage. Improve network efficiency. This is the improve network efficiency and speed. Reduce cost of IoT system. Increase reliability and scalability. These are the advantages. These are the real life application: a smart city, a smart agriculture, a smart home. These are the real life application. A smart city, how will be connected? A street light using IP version 6 plus 6 low pi network to communicate wirelessly. A smart agriculture, low power soil sensor using COAP protocol for efficient data transfer. A smart home, devices like Alexa or a smart bulb using optimized IP for seamless connectivity.